And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and in this video we're going over Phantom FOMO. This project was just released today, and it is another Ponzonomics type of project. We're still very early on. This is just similar to BNB Fury. I just covered that one in my previous video, and these are from the same developers of Matic FOMO, another similar project with the same structure. They actually took the same contract from Matic FOMO and now are using it on Phantom FOMO. So in this project, you'll be staking Phantom FTM and earning rewards in Phantom FTM. So in this video, we'll go over everything we need to know about Phantom FOMO. We'll go over the white papers, and I also made a calculator to track your profits, which we'll go over towards the end of the video. So let's take it from the top. The Phantom FOMO smart contract provides the opportunity to invest any amount of FTM from 5 FTM in the contract. 5 FTM, right now currently FTM is trading at 132. That's somewhere around under $10, $7, $8. Get 112% to 292% return on investment in 14 to 28 days from 8% to 20% daily. Minimum deposit 5 FTM and no maximal limit. Important notes: basic interest rate only for new deposits plus 0.5% every 24 hours. If users don't make a withdrawal every day, we'll get extra bonus. Hold bonus increases 0.1% per day. Max is 1.5%, only for unlocked plan. So they have two different plans. Some where you can withdraw, that's an unlocked plan. They have 3 different type of plans that are structured that way, and some where you stake your position and those are locked. So this is only pertaining to the unlocked plan. Number 3, users can share referral links to earn bonus. At least 1 deposit to active the link. Referral bonuses will be automatically sent to the wallet. And here are some statistics. Total staked FTM right now is 2,286,870. That's already around $3 million. Total users, 2,000 users. And referral rewards so far, we're looking at 221,000 FTM paid there. At the top, they have the audit, Telegram chat, Telegram channel, and the contract information. Here's some documentation, and here is the link to go to Matic FOMO. Let's take a look at the plans to see how much we'll be earning here if we get involved. These are the unlocked plans where you can withdraw anytime. If you go with plan 1, you stake for 14 days and you earn a daily profit of 8.1%. Your total return is 113% there after the 14 days. Just like the other projects I've been covering, once you stake your FTM, you forfeit that position. It's a sunk cost. That money is deposited and you don't get it back. The way you get it back is through the daily rewards. Plan 2, you earn 6.6% for 21 days. At the end of the term, you make 138%. And the last one here, the daily profit is 5.1%. After 28 days, you make 142%. Now, do note that obviously there is a sunk cost. So here you'll be making 42%. Here you'll be making 38%. And here you'll be making 13%. And in addition, you'll be making, if you don't withdraw, they incentivize you, you'll be making an additional 1.5%. In this case, it's only 14 days, you'll be making 1.4% in addition to the 8.1. And here, if you don't withdraw, you'll be making 1.5% in addition to the 6.6. And here, 1.5% in addition to the 5.1. Also, there is a 10% fee when you withdraw for the sustainability. Now, if we go down to plans 4 through 6, here you'll earn 8.1%. That's 14 days, and you'll receive 97% returns there. You cannot withdraw. You could only withdraw at the end of the term. And the fees for withdrawing on this plan, you're looking at 15%. So it's a one-time 15% at the end of the term. Plan 5, you earn 182% minus 100% for the sunk cost. And plan 6 here, you earn 200% there. Minus 100% for the sunk cost, you earn 202%. Now, these projects are extremely risky. I will be looking into the shorter term plans. It is based out of Ponzonomics, so you always need new people coming into the project to pay off the older investors. Today is day 1, so you can get in and have some peace of mind for at least a few days. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, and all these projects are risky. It's crypto. They also have a referral program here, and you earn extra rewards on those deposits. And that is the way Phantom FOMO functions. Now let's go to their audit. They're also audited by Haze Crypto. So let's take a read here. High issue. The system used is called ROI and must be considered as high risk. Users' principal deposits cannot be withdrawn. Users can get dividends and referral commissions. Dividends are paid from the deposits of other users. Do always invest with proper knowledge and investigation. We already went over this. Optimization suggestions. Loop and dynamic variable, low severity. If the user gets more parallel deposits, his withdrawal transaction going to cost more transaction fee because the loop on the dynamic variable is used in the withdraw function. In case exceeding the gas limit of the size of the transaction, withdrawals is not possible. Note, this comment is relevant only if a user creates an excessive number of parallel deposits, more than 100. So this is only an issue when you do multiple deposits. Go to the conclusion. The Phantom FOMO smart contract were found with no vulnerabilities, no backdoors, and no scam scripts. The code was tested with compatible compilers and simulated manually reviewed for all commonly known and specific vulnerabilities. So Phantom FOMO smart contract is safe for use in the Phantom main network. The contracts are not at high risk, but the way they're structured and the projects are in the long term based on the Ponzi-nomics. And the rest of the white paper goes over the structure of the project, which we already covered in the first page. Now let's go over the spreadsheet if you want to track your rewards. At the top, you have a reference link to this video if you ever get lost and you want to reference this video. Here is the network name so that you can add into your MetaMask. It's Phantom Opera, and you don't have to add the token. It's the default token of the network, FTM. Here's the website. Here's the Telegram information and where to buy. I buy mine at Binance US since I'm here in the US. BNB current price is $1.32, and here's a refresh button just to make sure you're getting the most updated quotes. It's loading. It's still at 132. So as it reads here, blue equals input. Here is a breakdown, and here is where you put your investments. Today I bought 152 Phantom. I bought it for $200. Average cost was around 132. So basically where it's at now. Once you claim rewards, you put the information here, the date when you claim, the amount of tokens you're claiming. Here you put how much FTM you have before claiming in your wallet. Once you claim, then you input here how much FTM you have after claiming, and this will calculate the rest. How much you claim after gas and fees, how much fees you paid, how much fees you paid in percentage, how much fees you paid in dollar amount, and your actual profits. The breakdown here tells you how much money you invested, the investment value of your position right now. I'm at 0, I haven't claimed anything. Tokens invested, 152. Investment average cost per token, 132. And it gives me my claim rewards after fees and tax plus referrals, the token amount, the dollar amount, fees and gas paid, token amount, dollar amount. And here you have to manually input any referral rewards pre-tax and your referral pre-tax dollar amount. And you can get that information from their website here at the bottom. It will give you that information if you have any referrals. And that is all you have to fill out. And here is claim rewards after fees / tax minus referrals and minus referrals dollar amount. And here's the breakdown, and it gives you a little visual representation in the bottom left of your invested cash here in comparison to the investment value. So if you'd like a copy of the spreadsheet to track your position, you can join Patreon here under the calculators tier. Once you join, the file you're looking for is 15 Phantom FOMO Tracker. You go to File, make a copy for yourself, and then you'll be able to edit this sheet for yourself. And that is Phantom FOMO. I did put a small position there on Phantom FOMO short term, and I think we're still early on. I like the Phantom network, I'm bullish, and I am getting involved. I'll have the reference link under the description of this video for the site, and that's going to do it for this video. If you guys found this video of any value, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below so that you don't miss another DeFi project, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.